things in life are to be part of us for the long run or for the short run. Same goes for the symptoms that we experience while we go through our menstruation. It's bloating sometimes there are cramps, there are heavy periods, just name it. In this video, I'm going to give you some hacks to help you overcome some of these symptoms. Hi, my name is Lucy, a medical clinical officer and a health educator with a female sexual and reproductive health. Number one, we're going to look at bloating. Most of us women bloat in the second phase of the menstrual cycle after ovulation. So a few things to help us: cut down on the alcohol or eliminate alcohol. If you're an alcohol consumer, alcohol slows down digestion, and when the digestion slows down, we shall get the bloating. Same goes for the caffeine. So this is a time also again to postpone that coffee date. Because also caffeine slows down the digestion, and when digestion slows down, we shall get effects of bloating. Number two, increase your intake of potassium. Potassium is present in foods like the watermelons and the bananas. It will help the body to balance out the sodium. When we talk of sodium, we shall also reduce on the amount of the salty foods that you're eating in this particular phase. So the phase we are talking about is the second phase after ovulation. So reduce on the crisps and the quick snacks that have high amounts of salt to help us to manage the bloating. The quickest fix is trying apple cider vinegar shots. So you can get 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, dilute it with a suitable amount of water, and take first thing in the morning. The other thing also that helps the okra. Soak okra in water and take. It also helps. The second hack, they are the heavy periods. If you are a person whose periods come in quite heavy, we are going to focus on two things. One is detoxifying the liver. When we detoxify the liver, we get rid of excess hormone, estrogen. High amounts of estrogen in the body give us effects of heavy periods. So when you detox the liver, you get rid of the excess estrogen, and you will have, with time, not in one go, but with consecutive doing of this, you will find that you'll have a lighter flow. So how do we detox the liver? We detox the liver with foods like the turmeric. Turmeric helps us to detox the liver, and the cruciferous vegetables, the things in the brackets of cabbages, broccoli, cauliflower, they help us to detox the liver, and they help us to bind excess estrogens that could be in the body, and they are passed out. So if you're suffering with heavy periods, we have looked at detoxing the liver as number one. Number two is increasing your intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is present in fruits, the citrus fruits mainly, and also the peppers. The yellow peppers, the red peppers, and the green peppers have a high amount of vitamin C. So you can consume them as a salad, or you can add them as ingredients in your foods to increase your vitamin C intake. Vitamin C improves the rate at which the body absorbs iron. Yes, so when more iron is absorbed back into the body, there will not be as much for you to menstruate. So with time, your period is going to be less heavy. That is the second hack on heavy period. Third hack is to manage the mood swings, the PMS symptoms, the premenstrual symptoms. Well, premenstrual symptoms are obviously again in the second phase of the menstrual cycle, and these are caused about by the hormone shift, the reduction in the amount of estrogen, and the increase in the progesterone. When we go into the second phase of the menstrual cycle and the estrogen levels go low, the rate at which the body produces the serotonin, which is there it is a feel-good hormone, but it also helps to regulate moods. So the level at which the brain produces that particular hormone will go down because estrogen facilitates its production. That's why on ovulation, you find yourself, you're elated, like the women are on their highest moods. So that is because of the estrogen. When its levels go low, even the production of this particular hormone will go low. So to manage the PMS symptoms, exercising will help. When we exercise, the body produces more feel-good hormones. Yes, the dopamine and the serotonin. So you need those. If you are a person that battles PMS, try incorporating exercises and also increasing your magnesium intake. Magnesium also facilitates more production of serotonin, and when more serotonin is produced, it will balance out the moods. The fourth thing that we are going to look at, they are the cravings. You ever notice that towards the period you crave things, and the things that you crave are normally the junk foods, the sweet things? Yes, it is quite it is a normal thing because of progesterone, that is a dominant hormone in this particular part of the cycle. Progesterone increases the metabolism rate. This happens because of the increase in temperature. When temperature increases, more food is burnt down. And when more food is burnt down, we'll feel hungry, like often. So that is why you crave these foods. So your cravings are not, don't allow this to like bug you down. The cravings are quite normal, but when the cravings come, how do you consume them? So this is just reassurance, I would say. If you are craving high carbohydrate foods, there's a healthy way to consume the carbohydrate. A healthy way is dress your carbohydrates. Eat the carbohydrate with a vegetable. If you're craving a burger, ask for extra salad and eat the salad first so that it gets the digestion going and reduces on the amount of carbohydrate that your body is going to absorb. If you're craving chocolate, opt for the dark chocolate compared to the sweeter ones. If you are craving soda, take a walk after you have finished your bottle of soda so that the body can utilize these high sugars that you've taken in. Otherwise, I love you. Bye.